Hey man, what do you got in this briefcase over here?
Crypto cash.
Most of crypto is probably a scam, so I don't blame people for seeing it that way.
You think crypto is worthless because you live in a country where the financial system works.
Then came Ethereum, a platform for decentralized applications, the world computer.
That anybody can trust, everybody can use, and nobody can turn it off or change how it works. No one controls it.
Stablecoins are kind of the first proof that a financial system on the internet is working on a global scale.
The downside of Web 2 is that we've ended up with a relatively small number of incredibly powerful companies.
Why do we have this massive corporation that's sucking up, billions and billions of dollars, ripping off both sides of the equation?
And that you don't have to have all these intermediaries in your life to basically allow people to coordinate and work together, that you used mathematics and code to facilitate that.
In Africa, decentralization is a plan A, it's not a plan B.
What value are governments providing? And how can we provide that same value, but from a unique perspective?
I think that the new generation of young people, they have an unprecedented opportunity to re-engineer our world through crypto.